This time I've built a battery deck. No other cards for a battery deck, no other cards used, just cards to give the battery monsters a good chance of fighting, like Venus Surgery for this card, and a few other cards just to help the way of playing.